Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to talk about LIC, the mega India insurer that is looking to slash its IPO size as the war in the Ukraine is hurting the valuation. India is looking to raise 300 billion rupees through an initial public offering of state-owned life insurance corporation. According to people with knowledge of the matter, about 40% lower than previous estimate as the war in the Ukraine dents valuation. Officials want to complete the listing, which will still be India's biggest, in the next 2 weeks, the people said, asking not to be identified as the deliberations aren't public. LIC will probably be the valued at some 6 trillion rupees, the people said. As recently as April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi administration was looking to raise 500 billion rupees by selling as much as 7% of LIC. The stake sale now could be a little over 5% on muted demand from investors, the people said. Currently, approvals including draft prospectus lapse on May 12. The IPO would still be country's biggest IPO ever, surpassing the listing of 197 Corporation Limited, the operator of Paytm, which raised about 183 billion rupees in November. Firms in India have raised about $1.1 billion through IPOs this year. That's less than half of nearly $3 billion raised in the same period in 2021. In this video, we talk about LIC, the mega India insurer that is looking to slash its IPO size because of the Russia-Ukraine war.